Hi guys, so I just checked in here in Metropark Hotel in Hong Kong. This room only cost me around 2,500 pesos per night. Good for 2 packs na yan. Tapos guys, in fairness naman tong room na to, I mean, nasa banyo ko right now. But in fairness sa room na to, like, sobrang lapit na sa train station. It's only across the street from Prince Edward Station. So, this is in Mongkok area. I was expecting this to be walking distance to Mongkok Station, pero more of Prince Edward siya. Pero, it's like super near lang ng Mongkok. So anyway, kaka-check-in ko lang because I spent the whole day in Disneyland. O, diba? After ko pa mag-Disneyland, I got here around 10 something. It's currently 11:30 na because I nag-chill muna ako dito and didn't wanna do anything. Ano naman siya? Malinis. And it's a lot better than I was expecting. So this room actually was recommended to me by my friend Louise. Lourdes by Louise. And she recommended us back in 2023 and she really loved it. So I'm excited to show you guys. So right now, ito yung banyo niya. Close muna natin itong door. Naka-active track lang ako so sana makita niyo. So in fairness guys, yung banyo niya is a lot bigger than I thought. As in, kung pasok tayo. Malaki siya. As in, like here. Meron pa siyang chair dito sa baba. If you can see here. Tapos here. Sobrang spacious nung shower. Hindi ko maabot yung wall. So that's how I know it's very spacious. Regular toilet, wala pa ring bidet as usual. Hindi pa rin ako nakakahanap ng hotel dito na may bidet. The only hotel na may Japanese toilet is the New World Millennium. So same thing. In fairness, Balmain, sorry, I don't know. Yung lotion nila and toiletries. And they also have hand soap. So if you guys didn't know, here sa Hong Kong, hindi na sila nagbibigay ng mga single-use plastics. So, toiletries, hindi na sila nagpo-provide. What they normally just provide is just yun, mga soap na naka-dispenser na like this. Sobrang gulo ng hair ko, guys, kasi nga pagod na ako. Okay, so ayan. Fully carpeted yung room. So, pagpasok pala natin, guys, ayan. Diba? In fairness, spacious siya for 2,500. Not bad. So yeah, this is the bed. The bed is a double-sized bed. Very comfy. Hindi siya yung may maraming springs, ganon. So, I like it. So, as in right here, malaki yung space niya actually. Maliit yung mga hotels nila in general. So, this one is pretty spacious. However, guys, for some reason, I think they have, I think guys, they have smoking rooms here. So, if you are a smoker, you might be able to find a smoking room here. Kasi sa hallway, it smelled like cigarettes. As in, amoy yosi siya. So, medyo kinabahan ako na parang, hala, baka mamaya, amoy yosi yung hotel. Pero hindi naman siya amoy yosi, in fairness. It was really just a hallway. When you're here, there's actually this poste, which I honestly find odd because they could have just taken this out and this would have been a bigger place, like more spacious siya. But it's just right here. I don't know why, but it's there. Tapos, but dito on side table, you have your regular plugs. 4 pillows, which I honestly appreciate. Most people just give like 2 pillows lang. Well, I guess it's for 2 people, but still. Okay, so ito yung office table. It's pretty large. Sorry, my bag is here, my stuff is here. And look guys, tignan nyo, ang cute! Donald Duck wearing his new outfit for Hong Kong Disneyland's 20th anniversary. O, diba? Ang cute. So, this is a bag charm. So, nilalagay ko siya dito. Parang cute-cute lang yan. And then, you have tissue box right here. You have the remote. You can also order food. Ay, sorry. Kalat talaga eh, diba? Puro basura. And what I really appreciate, guys, look. They already provide like an adapter for the room. So if wala kayong dala, you'll be fine here. They also have a lamp right there. I really love the fact that I mirror, thank God, because I really use this area for hair and makeup. So right beside it is this weird wall. I really don't understand, but may malaking pader dito. See here. Tapos dito naman yung the usual, like this mini bar. You have coffee. In fairness, Nescafe. Oh, it's instant coffee, so I'll probably drink this. I don't like a regular coffee. That's 2 mugs. Yeah, that's about it actually. Wait, sorry. They also have here a luggage rack. Yan, so papatong ko dito yung luggage ko later. Of course, gamit-gamit ko pa rin ang my favorite luggage of all, which is the World Traveler luggage. This is the Taipei 3.0. There's also a closet here. think this is an extra pillow. Yes. Extra pillow. I don't know what this is, so don't touch it na lang. Multiple hangers. Great. You also have a weighing scale, so you can use it for luggage. They have a safe and slippers, which actually I'm gonna use the slippers now kasi carpeted yung floor. I don't really know how clean that is. So, suotin natin yung slippers. Ang laki nung size niya, guys. Pero, pwede na. Yes, comfy slippers. It's actually one of the comfiest slippers that I've felt sa mga hotels. Place that there. Standard safe. You have a standard safe right here. Tapos dito yung more storage. Ay, kukunin ko to kasi laundry bag yan. And guys, look, meron palang full-length mirror. Love it. So yeah guys, so that is the complete room tour here at Metropark Hotel. It is currently June 26 at 11:40 p.m. I'm a little hungry kaso gabi na. So dapat wag na lang. Depends how I feel later. Baka, if may malapit na 7-Eleven, baka bumili ako ng something. But what I have lang kasi are like liquids, like water, coffee, that's all I have. Parang ayoko na rin lumabas. May pagod ka na. I've been here, this is my day 3 already, and I've done so much. Usually kasi when I go to Hong Kong, I don't have that packed of an itinerary except now. So I'm really tired, but yeah. Guys, so conclusion. So I'll be doing like a really honest reviews, in-depth honest reviews of the hotels that I've stayed at in any country. So ito yung sa Hong Kong. If you guys try it, let me know how you guys find it. So far, first impressions, they're pretty good. Although yung ano lang nila, countertop, it kind of has water stains, ganon. But hindi naman siya ganon kalala kasi the mirror is clean. Wala naman siyang streak, so I know nilinis siya. That's one thing. And the fact that they have toiletries here, it looks okay.